is a 50 horsepower electric go-kart.
How fast is it, Justin?
So to put our go-kart to the test, we went out and bought 2 gently used, grandmother driven, serviced every 5,000 miles, Segway Go-Kart Pro 2s. And we're gonna do lap times in these and then test it and put it up against our go-kart.
Check out the track. So here at Uncle Joe's Garage, we aim to be as scientifically accurate as possible, which is why we're using this high-tech timer stopwatch on an iPhone timer.
Heck yeah.
Justin's thumb, which is known to be just lightning fast. Yeah. And he's gonna start it by thumb.
It's actually banned in some counties.
End it by thumb. Yeah, they used to call him quick draw. All right, guys, we're halfway through our hot lap. As soon as we pass Justin, go! I don't know. 24 miles an hour. Gotta get the apex of the turn. These things are quick.
You saw it here first, baby.
Wait, can I guess?
Guess.
I think you just saw it, I guess.
Yeah, I definitely saw it.
27 seconds and 27.78 seconds, baby.
That's going on the board. What should a lap time be? Halfway through our hot lap. Caught a little bit of wind there a minute ago. It was a rush. Almost to the start line. Here we go.
Go!
All right. And we're off. I feel like I could read you guys a book right now. Okay. Because he's going to Chick-fil-A.
A few moments later.
Definitely wasn't the apex. Oh, we're coming up to the finish line.
And done!
All right. I'm gonna guess like, man, a minute 20. Whoa. Now we ought to try 2-wheel competitions in this thing. That was, I said to the camera, I said a minute 20.
A minute 44.18.
Not my best. Not my best. I doubt there will ever be a faster lap time on this thing though, because I was telling the camera, dude, I'm hitting the apex on all these turns. There's no way anyone's going faster. Okay, now just as like a fun bonus, we're gonna see who can do the longest 2-wheel drive on this thing.
Oh, hell. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's posi track in the back. I can't keep going. I need to go downhill. Let's try again. Oh. Locked up in the front. Y'all ain't ready for this next one. All right, coming in. I don't know. It's a diesel. I think we just got two wheels a little bit. Oh, that was the apex for sure. That was quick. I'm gonna guess like 35 seconds. I said 35 seconds.
28:55.
Oh, dude. So it's actually pretty close to the Segway.
Almost to the Segway.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's
Nice. I was like, I don't know. It's a diesel, you know?
All right, let's try next.
I think we do one more because this thing's surprisingly fast in reverse. I think we should try it in reverse. I'm a little worried about these turns. You can get away from me at the turn. I'm telling you, this thing is quick. This really could be pretty close. How'd we do? I think it's a little slower, but maybe, I think that one's 35 seconds.
32:83.
I'm telling you, only 4 seconds difference between forward and slow. I'm telling you what, Kubota, well done. You hear that? Hot lap time. Two wheels. That was horrible. I thought I was gonna beat this thing to death. How'd we do?
What do you think?
Dude, not good. Not good at all.
57:28. Under
Really?
a minute.
Wow, it was faster than Grandma's scooter.
Faster.
Impressive.
Impressive.
Little sneak peek at an upcoming project. This one's not quite ready for a lap time yet, but you best believe as soon as we finish this bad boy, we're gonna be doing a lap time in the T-Done, baby. Y'all stay tuned to check out what we do to this awesome machine.
So to get the full experience for Noble doing all of our time trial laps, we thought he would bring out the Nikes. Heck yeah, bro. And we were gonna time Noble running this on foot.
Look, these are basically moccasins, okay? I run like a freaking spirited Indian, okay? I'm gonna haul butt.
Really?
Just as like a standard benchmark of what fast is, because we all know I'm so fast. I literally ran one track meet in high school and I quit. For obvious reasons, I'm not gonna do a hot lap because, you know, put my best foot forward, you know what I mean? I should have stretched. So of course, of all the hot laps we did, the battery dies whenever I'm midway through my lap. So I stopped. That's the only reason I stopped. I was prepared to keep going. So we're gonna start over. I got a few miles on these legs now.
They're banned in most cities.
Oh yeah. At least I got my warm up in. Y'all aren't prepared. Y'all aren't prepared. Look, I'm going for the Kubota backwards. I think I can beat the Kubota in reverse. What do you mean at least? That's like 32 seconds.
I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go!
A few moments later.
What do you think? What do you think?
I feel like it was slower. 41.
45.45.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first.
So we tracked all of the lap times, and we're keeping a special board here so we can update you guys every time we do a new build. We're gonna keep track of it on the Uncle Joe's lap times whiteboard. Right now, we're gonna go through a list of what we've already done in this video so you can see kind of our benchmark standard. We'll start out with the Segway Ninebot Go-Kart Pro 2 Ultra Mega Plus. Longest name for any kind of a go-kart on the market, but it's quick, it's worth it. Take a look at it. 27.78 seconds, not a bad start. Kubota all-wheel drive, 28.55 seconds, and then whenever we did it in reverse, it was 32.83 seconds. Still a pretty decent contender. Grandma's scooter, without a doubt, the slowest thing in Uncle Joe's garage, 104.18 seconds. Then we have the forklift, it was 57 seconds. And of course, Noble on foot was 45.45.